Lecture number 5, Part 2, Evolution, Natural Selection and Adaptation. First of all, we discuss evolution. Evolution means change. ठीक है, change, तगय्युर. The change over time in the frequency with which specific genes occur within a breeding species. Human interaction with the world influences which genes are passes on to future generation, and these in turn shape human behavior. These changes take place by natural selection. अच्छा, अब जो evolution है इसमें natural selection and adaptation इसमें connection है. समटाइम ऐसे होता है कि जो चीज़ें फोर फादर्स में जो ट्रेड्स एंड बिहेवियर्स होते हैं वो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन में भी ट्रांसफ़र हो जाते हैं एंड देन सो ऑन कंटिन्यू रहते हैं. लेकिन कुछ जो बिहेवियर, कुछ प्रैक्टिसेस और कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जो फोर फादर्स जो हैं उसको इतना यूज़ नहीं करते, या अकॉर्डिंग टू टाइम जो है उनकी यूटिलाइजेशन इतनी नहीं होती, थोड़ा मॉडिफिकेशन करनी पड़ती है, तो वो चीज़ें आहिस्ता आहिस्ता जो है वो ख़त्म हो जाती हैं, नेक्स्ट जनरेशन में जो है ट्रांसफ़र नहीं होती, उनकी प्रमोशन नहीं होती. तो चार्ल्स डार्विन वो वाज द नेचुरलिस्टिक इंग्लिश नेचुरलिस्ट. ठीक है, इन 19th सेंचुरी जो थे, ही वाज ब्रिटिश naturalist who proposed the theory of biological evolution by natural selection. जो डार्विन थे, he defined evolution as descent with modification. The idea that species change over time, give rise to new species and share common traits या ancestor. The mechanism that Darwin proposed for evolution is natural selection. Because resources are limited in nature, organisms with heritable traits that favor survival and reproduction will tend to leave more offspring than their peers, causing the traits to increase in frequency over generations. Natural selection causes population to become adapted or increasingly well suited there according to their environment over time. Natural selection depends on the environment and requires existing heritable variations in a group. Natural selection feedback process whereby nature favors one design over another because it has an impact on reproduction. This process takes a long time to work but ultimately shapes who we are and how species evolve. So Charlie's contributions give explanations of how evolution works, and that is by natural selection. Natural selection refers to the concept that mutations that impair survival in a given environment are less likely to be passed on to offspring